confident that this election will work within my favor because I am the strong blood, I am the rise and the shine of Lira City.
So one may also be wondering, who is this Patricia Aceng?
Well, Patricia or Aceng Patricia Ogwang is a journalist working for Voice of Lango FM. I am a very vibrant leader and a social worker. I am interested in seeing that we see progress within the city that we live in. My interest is empowerment, both for the women, for the girl child, and the men who are watching us today. Without leaving anyone behind, we want to see an inclusive society for everyone.
How long have you been in the media?
I have been in media since 2016 until date. My first experience was with Record TV on a Teams show. And then I went to Nebi FM, Nebi, that is a Rainbow FM. And then got myself in Lira, where I worked for Radio Lira as a news editor and then a news anchor and a moderator for a morning talkback show. And then right here, I am working for Voice of Lango FM.
So are there some achievements that Aceng Patricia have had in the past that you are proud of and you can share with the public?
Yes, as a social person, I have endeavored within my means to advocate for the rights of the girl child and then the women at large, not leaving the men. Because in the society we are living in, Lira today, to be specific, we realize that there are so many things that are happening. And in a day-to-day life, we include everyone in 2 programs for the issue of domestic violence and all that. All these people have to work hand in hand to see a safe society, a safe family, and then, of course, when the family is safe, we are sure of a safe Lira City.
Lira City right now seems like it's very divided. 2 sections of people, one for Minister Aceng, one for Minister Moy. Is your candidature coming to try to bring unity in Lira City, and how?
Exactly, as a peace builder, my emphasis right now is to calm the situation within these 2 people, and they give me space because there are echoes everywhere. All the corners are coughing. Both for Aceng and Amoy, everyone seems to have an issue somewhere. But I am confident that I am the game changer come this election.
What's your message to the people of Lira City?
Well, to the people of Lira City, for those who are watching me and hearing me on radio, it is time to choose a vibrant person, a person who is confident enough to run around the 12th Parliament to reach the President, His Excellency, and lobby for development and funds for the people of Lira City and improve on so many things. One, health, improve on the lives of the people within Lira City, improve on public health, infrastructure, and the rest of the things. And of course, not forgetting the welfare of the business people within Lira City.
How old are you right now?
I am 30 years of age, confident enough, and the age is promising to catch up for politics.
If people don't vote for you, what do you think the people of Lira City would miss in Patricia Aceng?
I am this person who carries the light, and I believe I am the salt of Lira City. So why not trust me come this election to give out my potential, to show you my skills, and to show you my vigor as a strong woman member of parliament come 2026, 2031.
Traditionally, they say youth should be respectful. Isn't your candidature going to show people that you are being disrespectful to elders?
There is no disrespect when it comes to politics. Politics is for everyone. And as a citizen of the country of Uganda, I am eligible and I have the right to contest in any party that I want. And for this reason, I stand to contest under the NRM party ticket as the woman member of parliament for Lira City.
What would be your message to your other colleagues, your mothers, your competitors now?
Well, to the mothers, both Honorable Jen Ruth Aceng and Honorable Betty Amoy, we thank you for the tenure that you have spent in politics and done everything possible to ensure that Northern Uganda, Northern Region, both Oyam and Lira City are light to Uganda at large. We have appeared somewhere. At least I believe you have worked. But now that the situation is rising day and in, I believe I am the right person, the strong blood that is going to push this.
Is there any place you recommend for them to go, maybe positions?
For Honorable Betty Amoy, I would encourage her, because there is a turmoil within Lira City. We can't run away from that. And then for Dr. Jen Ruth Aceng, the fact is that the seats are hot for both parties and candidates. But my advice to them is that they live well. They live well for Patricia Aceng or Aceng Patricia Ogwang to take up this mantle. Because if there is no one to silence the situation, then there is Aceng Patricia Ogwang to silence it.
Should you fail to get the party flag, what will happen?
I am still confident and maintaining my stand that even if I am not given the flag, I am still contesting, I am still moving on, pressing on until the last time, and I will be on the ballot.
Ogwang support CPC. Would be you are the crown candidate to split the vote from Aceng?
Well, my husband being a supporter, I was staunch supporter for UPC, doesn't deter me from contesting under NRM. As a family, we have agreed. He knows the passion that I have for the people of Lira City, and he has willingly given me to NRM, and I believe he is supporting me. Even as I am here, he is there with me.
The politics of Uganda nowadays, critics have always said that there is so much use of money, and you are contesting with ministers who have a lot of money, and also they are lobbying for great projects bringing to the city. How are you going to manage them?
Now, for the ministers who we have today in Lira, to be particular, who are lobbying for support, yes, we accept that they have tried. They have spoken. They have been in countries that have lobbied for development and support for Lira City. Now the question is, how am I going to make a change? And is my voice going to get amplified enough? Yes, it is. As Aceng Patricia Ogwang, I am sure that even without money, to their extent, within the little resources that I have, I am going to manage it and reach there. Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.